Okay, let's start from create new sheet, and then I use sequence 18 to answer 18 question, and then I free cell here. And this is sequence of 40 quarter, and then let D is date, so E date from start date. And every 3 months, so multiply by 3, but start from 2, and then return quarter by month, divide by 3, and then space with year, so I use text with space here. Then just go back here. I want to link question sheet to answer, so it's equal to this 18 cell. Then start from demand, so transpose of year 1 demand, and then increase y over y, so just 1 plus 11% here, copy. Then this is expand, and then production is equal to base production, base prod, plus sum of expand time, so I lock cell and lock row here, then multiply by product bump, and then plus Q2 drop on this one, and then Q1 drop this. Okay, copy down, copy to the right, cut, paste here. And this is only product bump, so just remove everything. This is just Q2. Then inventory previous production minus demand, and then expand is sum of previous, and then this one multiply by look ahead minus 1 here, and divide by sum offset of look ahead, so with here. Okay, minus 1 have to be less than 30%. Okay, copy to the right. Then first one, demand in Q3 26. Then total demand, so sum everything. First time expand, so look up for 1 on expand, return quarter. Yeah, and then total time of expand, so sum this. Inventory end of 27 here, then average inventory here. Next go to cost, so just copy this to this one, and then first one is material, so material is increased yearly, quarterly, so just previous one plus 1% here, copy to the right. And this is hour, but increased yearly, so just need 4 cell here, and then 1 plus 7%, no, like 4, copy to the right, cut, paste here. And then the production time, hour, so start with 8.1 here, and minus 2% every time that production reach 100,000, so in of sum this one divide by 100,000. Then calculate all the costs of material and labor and hour. Okay, and then this is the total cost with production here, and copy to right. Then this is markup, so markup is 1 yearly again, so I need this one, and this is just state minus here, copy to the right, and this is the sale price, so I need to round this one to the 0, copy to the right, then answer. Oh, not copy enough. Okay, so material exit, so I use X lookup for 400 on this one, return quarter, and lookup minus 1 here, less than, and this is yearly weight 29, time per unit Q3 30 here, and highest labor cost, so just use hour multiplied by labor multiplied by production here, and return maximum. Sale price Q2 25 here, and then revenue, so sum of sale price and demand, and then FIFO, so start with cost and inventory, then I need transpose or production, and then for the quarter here, and then this is minimum of demand minus previous demand, so sum of this one, and then again minimum of production by minus sum of previous production. Only when quarter on the left less or equal than quarter on the top here, and then copy down to for the quarter and to the right. Then cost is normal, so just go like this, lock cell here and return with this. This is cost, and then inventory previous plus cost minus here, so let's be the average here and copy all to below. This is reference, circular reference, and this is LIFO, so I need to minus from below here. Then copy all, then just answer. Closing inventory FIFO, so Q3 23, and then cost Q4 28 here, and the last time Q2 25, so this is Q2 25 LIFO here, and last time is 4,000 something here. This is Q4 25. Closing for Q3 27 here, and then the average for LIFO, and then this is should be the difference, so I just use different. I should not get negative here, so something is not right. Okay, try again. Okay, then I use X lookup for large numbers, so 9 powered by 9 on this cell, and return the quarter and look for less than, should be -1. Okay, done. So this is done for speedrun. Next thing I want to do is to answer question 19 and 18, so I just paste this value, so and then continue with question 19. Okay, so this one I need the sum if when inventory went below 0, so sum if with this 0, and then copy paste to this one. Okay, paste link. Then so from 1 to 30%, how much should I get? So sequence of 30 increased by 1%, change this to percent, and then I use data table to calculate by change this percentage, and then F9. So the minimum percentage with positive, with non-negative inventory is 14%, and then try to get the lowest inventory as possible, so try change this one to 5 and F9. So the minimum is 95,000. 6 is go down to 91. 7 is going up to 99, so 6 is good, and then 4% is good number, so I'm start here. Then go to that sheet. So this one we want to build the expand as late as possible, so we start from this one. I change all this to 1, and then if I change this to 0, I got negative, so this one have to be production again. Cannot be 0 here, cannot be 0 here because it's negative. So this one also negative, so this one can be 0, so I'm gonna fix this as 1, and then I'm gonna change all this 11 cell here, just put some color. So 11 cell, that means less calculation, So I want to create a sequence of 11. So I will create sequence of 2 powered by 11, and then I only need base 2, so I change this number to base 2, so base 2, and then 11 in length, so this is 0 11 times, and then I use minus mid and sequence by column of 11 by 1, and this return all possible of 11 2 powered by 11. And then I'll just link this cell to the average and the negative inventory. So I just put some number here. I think just any number. For start, I use 1000. And go back here. I'm gonna change this 11 cell by index of this. Where? Oh, okay. Here. No. Sharp. Okay. Then by the number that I put there, 1000. Here, and take every row. So then I got this one. So this one. Then I can use the data table to calculate all this. So change this number. Then F9. Take some time. Oh, I forgot F9. And see. Oh, it's not finished calculate yet, so I have to do it again. F9. Have to wait. Okay, so I got the number. Then minimum. So min if of the inventory when this is not negative, so this 0, so this is the minimum number. Then I want to know which row, so I use X match on this, but only, so I multiply by the inventory equal to 0 here. So this is the row here, so 918. And then I use the concat to get the binary from first quarter here. Then copy this to answer. Okay, so got all correct answer. So that's all. Thanks for watching and have a nice day. Bye.